Okay, I've completed my recording, I've trimmed it, and now I'm ready to upload it to YouTube. And there are two methods to do that. The first one is to let Screencast send it directly to YouTube. Once we give it our Gmail account, our Google account, and our channel in YouTube. The other is that sometimes that fails, so there's another way, an alternative, and that is to save the file locally and then upload it manually to YouTube. So let's explore both of these. Let's do the first one where we send from Screencast directly to YouTube. So we would select upload, the option, upload to YouTube. The account, here we would launch the web browser, and it's going to ask us to log in to our Google account. I'm going to use my SAC EMS training account, and it's going to ask for my password. And then it's going to ask me if the program can have permission to authenticate the actual account and then to send the video to YouTube. So we're going to click yes, allow. It's done authenticating, and now we are ready. We are almost ready to publish. Actually, we should change the title to something more significant, like Intro to Canvas, or whatever is appropriate for your recording. Then in the privacy section, please make sure you have unlisted. That means that no one can search and find your recording. You can make a description of it if that's optional. The category is educational, and now we're ready to publish and actually have Screencast send it to our YouTube channel. Remember, that was the first tutorial we did, is to create a Google account and a channel, because now we're going to send it to that channel. And here we have an error. Right now, YouTube is being swamped, and so it can't handle the load. So we're not going to be able to have the direct method of uploading from Screencast to YouTube. What we'll have to do is go back, cancel this, and go back, and instead of clicking upload to YouTube, we're going to select save the video locally. And it will save it as an MP4. That's what we want. Has the file name. Here we can go to any folder. I've selected the desktop, but you can choose to browse to another folder and save it there. And then let's click publish. And there we have it. We have saved it to our local computer. In the next video, we'll see how we get it from our computer to upload to YouTube.